doctor uyasho ukuthi ukhulelwe. Wow. Athi you're not only carrying one, you're carrying two. I was like, oh my God. Amawele asendleleni, mfana intombazana. Kodwa ukuthi kule boma 4th month wami sekunesisu ubhuti ngiyambona ukuthi sekaneyitori akusekho mnandanyana usuke anyanya umuntu so bengiloyo muntu ukuthi okay fine uqalile izinto zakhe zokuthi akafuni ukukhuluma maka right uzakhuluma 5th month I was rushed into ER kutholakala ukuthi iwele elilodwa lithulile 5 months umntana wasesemncane she was weighing 9 grams wafakwa ebhodlelweni ngasukuma ngayonqwaba umfana something just turned around and you grieving umntwana omunye ngapha you don't know ukuthi you survive